I'm Carolyn and I'm going to talk to you today about quilting on the go, which is a method of making quilts in small portable sections. So instead of quilting your quilt when it's a complete quilt, you're going to be quilting the quilt when it's actually in sections this big, so it's similar to a cushion size cover. And you can see those stitches are just pulling the edges together. I used to call this stitch some sort of ladder stitch. It seemed to sort of be some variation on something else. And then one day in a class I had a lady who was an A&E nurse, and she got very excited when she saw that. She was going, "I know what that is, that's a suture stitch." And it's all ready to be quilted. So as I'm joining my blocks together in the rows, I will then be quilting the area that's between the blocks. So on this particular one, you can see we've actually filled this in now with the quilting design, so that I'm ready now to continue adding on more rows to this.